So many people tell me a missed payment or a default has ended their chances of ever owning a home. And in my experience, more often than not, it just hasn't. I'm Patrick Weightman, I'm a local mortgage advisor here in the East Midlands and I do this stuff day in, day out. So drop me a follow and let's get into it. Now, a lot of people assume that one slip on their credit file makes them radioactive to every lender going. And I get it. You have one rough patch, a bill you missed while life was happening, and it feels like the door's bolted shut. But a single missed payment, a default, even a county court judgment, doesn't automatically mean it's the end of the conversation. There's a whole world of specialist lenders who look at the actual picture. How recent was it? How big was it? Whether it's been paid off, and the reason behind it. And of course, how much deposit you've got. A computer on the high street sees a red flag and stops. A real person can actually weigh that up. And time's on your side more than you think. A default or a CCJ stays on your file for 6 years from the date it was recorded, and then it drops off completely. But you don't have to wait the full 6. As it ages, more lenders come to the party, and the terms get kinder. That old line about waiting 5 years after a CCJ, for a lot of people, that's just a myth. It really does depend on the lender and your circumstances. And this is where an advisor actually earns their lunch. I know which lenders take a sensible view of a bit of history, and I can place a case the high street would automatically decline without blinking. Advice is not a sales pitch. And one thing before you do anything though, have a look at your own file. Checking your own is a soft search. The lender never sees it, and it shows you exactly what they'd see. Reapplying for mortgages over and over after you've had a knockback does the exact opposite. It leaves a hard footprint, and that kind of makes things worse. So before you count yourself out, go and have a proper look at your own file. And if there's a bit of history on there, don't panic. Come and have a chat. A past blip is the start of a conversation, not the end of it. And quite often, it's the start of you getting the keys to your own place. Speak to you soon.